Good morning, good morning. How you doing, my friend? How are we doing? Chanel, how you doing? Good morning. How you guys doing, my friends? Did you guys get some sleep? Uh, Still awake? Is there news that caused that drop on NQ? I gotta be honest with you, I don't know. Good morning, Mark. How you doing, my friend? Big push down. It's some type of news. Some type of news, guys. NNQ. Look at NQ. Financial juice. Let's see what's happening. Two missiles hit a U.S. warship near Jask Island after it ignored Iran warnings. Oh my God! This is very bad news. This is actually very bad news. This is actually very bad news, guys. Unless it comes out as fake, this is actually very bad news. Oh my God, you guys are not seeing my screen. Yeah, I'm on a short right now, guys. I just got out of the short. I took a long here like a dummy because I didn't see the news, but then I swapped to the shorts. I just took, I think, 50 points. But this is actually very bad news. This is oil on the right. Two missiles hit a U.S. warship near Jask Island after it ignored Iran's warnings. It was from Iran's news source, brother. It was from Iran news source. Good morning, Mark. This is more than 200 points drop already. What is the news? Two missiles hit. Two missiles from Iran hit a U.S. warship. And this is news from Iran sources. So I don't think they're lying, bro. This may be the news, this is maybe the war taking, like the ceasefire is long gone, Johnson, by now, probably. The ceasefire is probably this is it, you know? Mm-hmm. I'm going for another short. Just to see a pop down again. There's buyers. Like, we shouldn't see a red candle. Oh, a green candle, like right now. I'm hearing buyers, bro. Why am I hearing buyers? Yeah, come on. Sweep lows again. Come on, sweep lows again. 50 points, come on. Sweep lows again. Yeah, I'm taking this. I'm re-entering. Sweep lows again. A lot of sellers, man. Oh my god, NQ NQ is killing me right now. He didn't swap the lows, man. I'm still pumping like crazy. 651 is my target. Yeah, the first target was actually 697. The next one is 637. Next target is 637, guys. I'm going to try to take at 641. Let's see if there's a new push down. Yeah, oil is still ripping up. Oil is still ripping up. Yeah, I'm not liking this 5-minute candle. It seems like a pullback is incoming. Yeah, it seemed like for a push this big, a 100 points pullback, it's normal, guys. For a push this big, if it pulls back 100 points is normal. Gotta be aware of that. I just like this news. I think it needs more downsides than this. I'm going for the next target, 641. Crude is rocketing, yeah, and Q is like someone is defending in Q and S&P right now at this level. If it pulls back from here, I'm going to have a very bad average. That's what I gotta be careful. Promo the new squeeze down, maybe, yeah. Good morning, how you doing? I just got an add in to make my price better a little bit. What happened, bro? Oh, shoot. A lot of sellers. Come on. A lot of sellers. That's what I like to hear. Nice. There was one account that didn't. Oh, I just got perfect timing out of this. Beautiful. Just got perfect timing out of it. Iran Navy prevented the entry of US warships in the Strait of Hormuz area. Yeah, the next target is at the next target is at 635, guys. I really believe that that target can fill, and after that maybe 530. Can we see a new push to the lows? Can we see a new push to the lows? I don't even want it to sweep, just a new push to the lows. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, Iran still has like some missiles, brother. For every one missile that Iran fires, the US fires 100. That's the problem. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful fill. Beautiful fill. Just before the low. Another nice short, guys. Open huge fair value gap. Yeah, 630 is basically the end of the fair value gap. That level, that zone. Maybe this is it, man. Maybe this is where how the war starts, or not starts, but comes back. And I just made 300 bucks right there, bro. Just made 300 bucks on the fundeds. Beautiful movement, beautiful movement. Did some of y'all catch the shorts? Did you guys caught the shorts? Bro. Yeah. Hit the like, guys. Hit the likes. That's all I ask. Hit the likes. Did some of you caught the shorts? Or you guys are like waiting for confirmation? Axel, what's up, my friend? How you doing? How you doing, my brother? Got a 1.5 CFD lot, nice. You're trading NASDAQ CFDs, Arnox? What you doing? Two minutes before I drop. Yeah, beautiful, like pullback incoming probably. On the 1 minute, it's already breaking the 21, so pullback incoming. Yeah, there's buyers on NQ, on S&P. Maybe I take another short around the 90 EMA. Let's see how it gets there. It's actually bouncing on the first target, for Fibs target. Yeah, oil looks like it wants a pullback right now. Oh my god, I left an order on the charts. Let me close it. US gotta respond to this 100%. Do you think NQ is going to go back down? Yeah, gotta wait. You gotta wait. Right now there's buyers. I think above 780, 775, it's a good short. It's possibly a good short. The volume on these two candles are not as big, of course. What I'm going to do is probably wait a little bit. That's what I'm probably going to do. Yeah, this is a good place to take a shot. I don't know. This is actually a good level. If you're going to take it, like start here, probably. you know. Smash the like, guys. Like, it's easy. Bro. Only people that their moms love them hit the like. You guys know that. There's no other way to put it. NAS 100 vintage is what you trade. US gotta respond to this 100%. Like, do you think like the US is not going to respond to this? So that's the thing. Like button brings luck 100%. That's what's up. Why don't you get coffee, man? 1 second. Oh, I almost fall. The max squeezer? What's happening? I'm going to try to take a pullback from this. Yeah, the US denies the US ship was hit by Iran. Like, that's the news that just came out. Good morning, brother. How you doing, Samuel? Is the shirt still good? I think it's the short still good. Yeah, like the US denied the strikes, you know. But how can we know, you know? Well, the last news is that the US denies the shorts, the strikes. I could hold on the Fibs retracement level. But basically what should happen is for the high of the candle that broke the news to be swept. That's basically what should happen, you know? Yeah, I saw this big candle, I came here. Why short now? That oil is pulling back. I took shorts based on the news, but then I read the news that the US denied the strikes and I got out of the shorts. Basically, that's what's happening. Mert, how you doing, my friend? Good morning. Then Poor Trader, good morning, Leo. Did you catch that move down? Caught it with 15 contracts. Was able to pass my eval. Congratulations, congrats. I caught with the fundeds. I caught with the fundeds. Overall, I probably caught like 80 points or 90 points overall in each account. Now we gotta be careful because the price action can die, you know? Now we gotta be careful because of that. The price action can die. Bro, there was a falcon in my balcony, like trying to break the glass, bro. What's up with that? My luck's not that good. Short sellers. Now Iran is saying that yes, they hit the imagine. You trade with Nizarenko. It's very good. I have 75% win rate. Yeah, bro, I don't know what that is, but if you have 75%, congrats. Zar Trader, good morning, my friend. Little bit annoying now, miss both the dump and the reversal. Yeah, that's sad, bro. Trying to peek at my screen, yeah, bro. He did just that. I had to shoo him away. Bro, those things, if they grab my dogs, they can they can fly with my dogs. They can just like take them and go flying. Kidnap. Yeah, like if the news is really wrong. Why would Iran like create a news like that, you know? Like if the news is false, it should just erase this whole drop, you know? But now it's at a strange level for me to buy. It's at a strange level for me to buy, bro. Buyers stepping in. A lot of buyers, like they are going to buy that view up. What is your key zone? What key zone, bro? This rectangle right here, this is an order block. Do you think it's going to have a big short for today? I hope so. Buyers again. Yeah, I think the news is erased. There's not much left right now. This is like a 70% pullback. There's not much. Buys today. Right now it was to the downside, but now it's to the upside, man. But overall today, I think we're going to have a little bit of war news maybe, because like we already started the day with some type of war news. Like the US denied the strikings by Iran, but like it can't come back a new news like saying that it actually distracts. But by now, people go on satellite photos and all of that, and they can discover if there's a US ship hit or not. So the overall trend of the market in the last couple of days, not couple of days, but the last couple of weeks is to the is up. It's for the longs, man. It's to the upside. Would love a Trump tweet at 7 a.m. Yeah, me too. That's all we ask for, basically. So now that the news like it's cold now, markets can go back to being a little bit sideways like it was, you know. Like, gotta be careful. Like, the volatility won't last forever. That volatility won't last forever. That has to be some new fact, some new news, some new thing to make markets go volatile again. Little bit of sellers on S&P. Buyers again, stepping up. What are you guys seeing right now in the markets? Like right now, I don't see nothing like sideways action. Probably gotta wait for the next 1 hour. Like the news came out. Let's see. 703. So basically, yeah, this candle here, some insiders got the short on the 655 candle. The insiders got their shorts on, and the news broke out on this candle. So, bro, look at the insiders, man. Look at the insiders, bro. Look at this short selling here. You know, they almost swept the lows. Just the insiders almost swept the lows. And then the news broke. An avalanche. That was crazy. How crazy is that? Little bit of sellers again. Maybe some type of news coming out. I'm banning a dude on the Discord, bro. Brothers. Long on this account. Play the range. Let's try to play the range. Sellers, sellers, sellers. I'm hopping out of the trade. Oil is going full berserk again. Yeah, got scared out of the trade. Punya is the 9 and the 21. Good morning, Piotr. How you doing, my friend? How you doing, my brother? A short full port from 920, slowly getting back my losses. Oh, nice. Giorgetti, the news. Good morning, Giorgetti. Sorry. Good morning. The news was that Iran strike 2 missiles from Iran hit a U.S. warship, and then after the drop, 30 minutes after the news, the U.S. officials denies that a U.S. ship was hit by Iran. So maybe Iran hit a ship, but it's not from U.S. You know. Demolidor, how you doing, my friend? Well, brother, are you already woken up? Like woke up, or did you enter sleep or no? Ravi, how you doing, my friend? Let's see if I go for the longs. I'm going to be humble with my target, brother. I need 15 points. Already getting wrecked, bro. Already getting wrecked. I'm going to try to add the 9 EMA. But if it breaks down, then it breaks down. What can I do? Oil is getting bought up again. It's already 12 p.m. Why there's always sellers against me, man? Why, bro? Tell me why. Why there's always has to be sellers? Zar, need to clear your mind? Okay, brother. 1K profit today, still holding. One contract from 904. Let's get the 640, 540 level. Beautiful, Piotr. Yeah, bro. Like, I hope we get it all back. Massive short that you took there. Not good, the sellers against me, man. Not good, the sellers against me, brother. New 1 hour, let's see the volatility. $833, I'm getting out. I just want the range from this sideways on the 5. Some buyers. Continuation on the buy side. $833, bro. $833. No, don't do that. Nice. Brother, yesterday my luck was not good. My luck was very, very bad yesterday. My luck yesterday was not good at all. Instant rejection. The like, guys, hit the likes. 134 of you and only 41 likes, bro. Please, guys, like, it's not much. It's just one simple move with the mouse, you know. One simple move. This selling is different. CENTCOM, no US Navy ships have been struck. $600 is coded. Oh, Killer Slug, he talked to us about at the 20 minutes chart. Custom time. Someone somewhere used the 20 minutes and was very like crazy good. And I don't know, but A lot of sellers again. Let's see 745 Piotr. Yeah, man. Like 745, it's here. So basically we can use a fibs. Some fibs to get a, yeah, it's basically a 50%, a 50% retracement from this push up, from this bullish movement. Yeah, right now it's on the daily fibs, it's holding right at the 61.8 level, you know. I do believe we can see a push down again. There you go. Yeah, guys. Them for a like. Ask them for a like. Don't like. Give us a like. Give us a like. I'm seeing sellers at this level. I'm going to try to take a short around the 21 EMA. Maybe it's already on an ongoing short. Huge volume on this candle. Yeah, now I match the two accounts. 160 up on the two accounts. Now it's good. My OCD was killing me. We're going to take partials on the way down. Is turtles all the way down to your mind? Does anyone listen to Sturgill Simpson? Does anyone like Sturgill Simpson? I feel like we get an audience all around the world. It's not only the US. There's a lot of guys from like Europe, UAE, or Middle East. South America, there's a lot of guys. Like unusual countries. Netherlands, like see? Omdat bro, but your name is not Van de something. Like could be like could be like this. For you to be like really from Netherlands. Is our traders from Dubai, bro? How is it living on Dubai? Are you like crazy rich or like a normal dude? Mika, regards from Poland. Nice, man. I love Poland. I want to go there very, very much. from you're from Netherlands, so like this one time I read that Van de, like let's say like the famous goalkeeper Van der Sar. It's Van means like son of, or I read that like it's a myth. That's why almost everybody has the Van de something. Or if I'm being offensive, like by saying that, like please let me know, brother. Right, if that question is offensive. Beloved, how you doing, beloved? Nice to hear from you. My husband has been looking into fractals and vectors. He has a paid subscription to some guy who teaches those. Fractals like Elliott waves, beloved. Kevin, hello from Romania. A lot of people told me a lot of good things about Romania. Cluj-Napoca. One of the best majors ever. CSGO majors ever was at Cluj-Napoca. I'm probably like butchering the pronunciation of that. Azar, I wish I was crazy rich, just moved here recently, can't handle the cold weather. Oh, where you lived before? Yeah, cold weather sucks, man. Like right now, like where I live don't get that cold, but goes to like, let's say 5 degrees Celsius. So I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit, probably like 20 Fahrenheit or something. But it sucks, man. I don't like the cold at all. I like to go to the cold, but don't like to live in it. Vacation to Poland, such a beautiful place. Yeah, beloved. You're half Polish? Nice. Have you ever been there, beloved? To Poland? Yeah, more like descendant of Vanda. Ah, okay. Descendant of Vanda. Okay, like that's cool that you have that in the name, like that is a part of the name, you know. It's for trading the fractals and vectors. Yeah, because the only thing about fractals that I know is Elliott waves that uses those fractal concepts. I don't know, it's probably not the same thing. Arnus, Katowice. Katowice, it's in Poland, isn't it? Warsaw, Katowice, Auschwitz, of course. You love it, you hate the heat? You love the cold? Love snow? Your sisters have been there and brother. CS2 major, yeah. Good morning, Trading Pennies. How you doing, my brother? Yeah, I don't like the heat very much. I prefer like the middle, in between the two, of course. Like good weather, I like. I like good weather. I like the sun, but I don't like the heat. Oh, I'm pretty sure this sound is copyrighted. You're Swiss as well. Half Polish, half Swiss. Oh, I'm 10%. I'm probably, if I do like a DNA test, I'll be probably 1% out of every ethnicity ever in the world. All the way from like cockroaches and rats, you know. I'm as mixed up as it gets. And you get this. Like Brazilians are known for being like uh, one of the most like mixed up cultures ever. Because like when Brazil was getting like since the colonization like 500 years ago, all of the cultures that came here, they like mix it up together from that time forward. So like from indigenous people to black people, uh, all the way from the when the like Portuguese, of course, Spanish, but on the 800s and the 900s when like a lot of different European countries came to Brazil, then it was like a mix of everything then. Like Italians, Germans, Polish people, Spanish, Lebanese. Bro, there's I think there's more than 12 million Lebanese descendants in Brazil. 10 million Lebanese descendants in Brazil. It's like crazy huge. Like there's almost I think 6 million Japanese descendants in Brazil. Something like that, something crazy. Like Italians even more. Like there's legit like the team that I root I'm a supporter. The team that I'm a supporter, it's mainly Italian based supporters, and it's a full-on Italian team in Brazil, you know, like Italian culture in Brazil. So if you're Italian, you should support my team. Iran now says it fired a warning shot, but not sure if there was any damage. Ah, bro. You know, like Iran does that. Like he hits a seagull and says that is a drone. He hits a eagle and it says that like it's a US fighter jet. You know, Iran is slacking, bro. Like at least you gotta respect. At least like US when he hits something, it really blows up to the smithereens. If you're going to blow up something, like really do it. Like don't be saying that you blow up a like you know a seagull and you shot down a fighter jet, bro. Don't be saying that. Like we are trading here, no, you know. Like we need some serious information to come out. Rank Cooper, good morning. Sorry that I didn't say good morning to you, brother. 20 to 25 Celsius is perfect. No need to be more than that. Yeah, that's my level right there. Like the perfect level is a day where you have sun and you wake up, it's like between 14 and 16 degrees. It's open sky, sun all day, but it goes to 24 to 26 degrees max on the day. So the range between like 15 to 25, it's perfect. Celsius, of course. I don't know in Fahrenheit how much that. What's the top EMA? It's a view up, brother. It's not an EMA, but it's kind of a moving average. It's a volume wondered like volume. How that say in English? Volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price. Like this white one is view up. Seagull, yeah. Yeah, bro. Like Iran is lacking, man. Seriously. There's dudes saying that, you know, it's all Israel misinformation. There's all of that too. All good, Ryan? Thank you. Made 600 bucks. Down for the day. Beautiful. Ravi, 38 degrees right now. How do I pronounce that? Hyderabad, India. Hyderabad, India. Yeah, 38 degrees is not funny, brother. It's not fun at all. Like, it's for real heat. I think the max that I ever got was like 40, 43 or 44. Joined a bit late this morning. What are we watching? This is the MNQ. It's the NASDAQ Micro, and on the right is the MCL, is Crude Oil Micro, and right here we had a big news dropping, IRM, and over here there was a news like from the US denying the IRM news, so it gave a pushback. Price action wise, like, it should break the highs of this candle, you know, to sweep out all those sellers, because as of right now the sellers are still making money out of that chart, you know. Yeah, trading pennies, tell them, like, when you hit the like button, it helps the channel a lot. You guys don't even know, like, and you don't even expend any money. Any buys at the moment? Not right now, brother. Like, it's sideways action. It's trading between those two levels right here, the 61 and the 50%, and I'm waiting to see what happens. But like, the movement was only because of the news. If there wasn't news, would probably be with this price action all the time. Many cities cross 50 in the summer? No way. Winter drops below 5. So you say in a single day it can go like to 50? Oh no, not in the same day. And 5 in the same day, no. Okay. Sellers? Guys, I'm going to do it. Like, just watch. You guys have a goal now. You guys have a goal now. Like, I'm not gonna even ask for anything anymore. Like, that's your profit target right there. 100. You know? 100 likes. 1, 2. Bro, this music's too similar to... Going to give us copyright. Full on range right now, guys. I'm going to mark out this box. Like it's a full on range. Sellers at 844 and buyers at 805, basically 802. Oil is sideways too, look at that. $803 is monthly VWAP right now. Yeah, bro. On the Brazilians index, I look at all of that, but on NQ, I don't look at anything, bro. Like, it's too much. What was that? Yeah, not much action right now. Yeah, like if it stays inside this box right now, I will probably only trade like the edges. It needs to break. Like this price action is no bueno right now. Sorry. A little bit of sellers, but it's still inside of that range, guys. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do, to be honest. Like, let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Any of you wants to see what Bitcoin overall is doing on the engineering liquidity, whatever that means. Yeah, let's look at the weekly chart. Yeah, it's still inside of that. It's trying to break the 21 EMA. Yeah, a lot of sellers on S&P, but NQ is not moving. For the crypto holders, Bitcoin's not looking great. Like this 80,000 is a short seller's point again. Like it's a retest of this low break right here. It's a retest of this low break. Like careful. Like 80,000 is actually a seller's point. In my opinion, we're going to see Bitcoin break down again. In my opinion, take a screenshot. At 45,000, 47, I start buying my briefs off. Add arrow on screen to take snip. Add arrow on screen. Did not understand. Take snip. Didn't understand that, bro. Sorry. Yeah, many of you watch this stream but are not subscribed to the stream, so you can do that also. Just hit the subscribe button. Sellers pushing to the low of this box again. I'm going to get coffee. Sorry, my wife was giving me a lesson about how to discard trash. I just got like a full 101. Marry, guys. Get married. Best thing I ever did in my life. Oh, Arnus, I'm going to do that. Like it's a breakdown. Yeah, yes, breakdown. Like, do I jump on shorts here? Buyers are stepping in again. Do I jump on shorts, guys? Let's get it. Let's get it, Piotr. Like 740 is your first profit target? Yeah, baby sleep. Like, yeah, she's not a like dona de casa, but maybe this drop maybe is from that news trading pennies. You're going to take profits according to price. Yeah, I'm not. I probably won't take shorts over here, guys. Arnos, if you want to, you're not here. You're not even here, bro. Yeah, there was instant bought up after the that candle closed, so I was kind of sketched out to go long, you know. The monitor, I don't even know, man. What is happening? To be honest, I don't even know. I actually don't even know. Eight, like at the 21 EMA would be probably a good point to take shorts. 820, but I'm not interested. Right now, I'm not interested. Actually not interested. Seller stepping in on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute chart is making a, look at this guys, in the 2 minutes is making a lower high, lower low, so I will probably mark this as a downtrend movement. You know, so we have targets to the downside now. Crossover on the EMAs on the 2, that's very important. Like if it breaks, if it breaks 770, it's probably going for the lows again. We need to see. Yeah, there's sellers for sure. Like this structure is to the downside. Verified of tackle news. Yeah, man. bearish formation on the 5. But it looks like he wants to break up, not down. But this is a bearish formation on the 5. Looks like he wants to break up, not down. Not down. Oil. Oil is on a market structure to the downside 100%. Yeah. Sellers on oil. Let's hit the like goals, guys. Let's hit the like goals. 100 likes. Base gamma 80. Like hit 80 on my counter. You're long at 80, brother. I'm long at like 1, bro. I was the first like probably. No, there were people waiting already with the like button hit. That, you know, that's what's up, you know. Those are the real ones. I gotta give props to them. Spike up. 1 second. No economic news due today. Yeah, I think there's nothing. The new 1 hour is coming in 2 minutes. Bro, 6 likes away. Are you guys in any trades? Chanel, this looks like a bit of an indecision still, yeah. Oil has retraced nicely. Yeah, oil, like, the news came out, and 30 minutes after, another news, like reverting the previous news, you know? So basically it should break like the high of the candle, you know? Like, if the news got denied, should break the highs of this candle. But the sellers are still like making money. Matix, you're in a long from 6.99. Beautiful long. Auto filled by accident. Nice. Ham holding a long from the bottom, trimmed some. Beautiful. Beautiful trades, like almost 200 points then. Small shorts to micro. Nice, Ryan. You see, like, there's guys going from longs from the low, some scalping small ranges, some taking small shorts. You know, we can all make money. Oil is really breaking. It seems like it's a really bearish market on oil. In Q, it's kind of breaking this trend line right here. So I'll probably just use this trend line. I'll probably just use this, but the VWAP is right above it, and the 61% is right here, 846. It has to break 846. Probably with VWAP altogether. Thank you guys. A little bit of buyers came in on S&P. Yeah, they're breaking, squeezing. Like, it should go all the way to 897 again. Like, it should go there. Like, if the news from the Iran strikes got denied, it should go there. You know? Shouldn't be like messing around. Like it is squeezing. Yeah, instant rejection out of that sweep. It's all a range. Since 7:30 is all a range. It's all a huge big range. There's not much we can do now, guys. There's not much. Is it lag? What? It's something's lagging? It's not seem to. For bulls, the positive is no harsh rejection from view up yet. Yeah, it really broke this trend line. It really broke the formation that I was making. But the view up is too strong right now. But I think it probably go to 898, you know? It should go to 898. A lot of buyers. Yeah, it's breaking now. It's probably going to sweep the highs of that news candle at 897, guys. Careful. How you doing, Janus? How you doing, my friend? I'm good. Ergonomics from Financial Juice. What's the sticking noise? Fart of Doom? No, that name is not that good, bro. Yeah, there's a divergence from ES to NQ. NQ broke highs, but the ES didn't. Like, look at this. Like, look at the divergence between one and the other. ES broke highs, but NQ didn't. You know? Maybe this can be forming a funnel, you know? Search and destroy kind of movement. Let's see. some sellers. Please all hit the like button, Chanel. Yes, 100%, bro. There are sellers on NASDAQ right now. Yeah, be careful, guys. Right now, the price action is not that easy. It's not that easy. Some buyers stepping in, a lot of buyers stepping in. It's a dogfight. Like the 5 EMA is crossed to the upside. Like this is maybe some type of news. Like they on the 5, the EMAs are crossed to the upside. I think it's probably going to sweep 898, bro. That's what I think it can happen. Bad news. Yeah, Trump just came out of some positive news, guys. Maybe that's why it's flying. 2 US flagged merchant vessels have successfully transited through Strait of Hormuz. 1 minute ago. That's a type of good news. I don't know. That's a type of good news. Yeah, oil actually broke the news candle down, so maybe it's completed the move on oil, you know. But let's see. What do you guys think? Frozen? Frozen? It's actually frozen. Let's move to trading view. My trading view. It's working. I don't know what happened with Tradeovate. My Tradeovate glitched hard now right now, guys. It's not good. My Tradeovate glitched hard. Tradeovate's frozen. Yeah, my Tradeovate's frozen. It's not good. No bueno. Now I think it's back. I was trying to figure out what was happening. Now it's back. Oh, it actually went south a little bit. Yeah, my connection went away a little bit, guys. But I'm back, I think. New all-time high today, maybe. A lot of sellers, I think. A lot of sellers, guys. A lot of sellers. Yeah, I don't know much what I can do now, to be honest. Is Pasha today? Like, Pasha's coming back, yeah. Anton? No, I'm not long. I'm not anything right now. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, I got a little bit off. Right. I apologize. Dropping coming. Yeah, there's a lot of sellers coming in on the S&P right now. So, yeah, it's possible. But it's an uptrend, guys. Like, I don't think, unless it breaks 900 to the upside, I don't think it's dropping. Like, I think it's probably going to hold at the 21 EMA. That's what I think it's going to happen. But if it breaks, you guys know, like, it's probably running down. The S&P is holding at the 21 too, but it's below VWAP. Unless there are bad news, I don't want to bet against the bullish momentum. Yeah, me too, I don't. Yeah, trading pennies. We're getting on a sell side of this range right here. We're getting to the sell side of this range. Pasha is almost coming in, I think. Maybe this is a long on the 21. 846 maybe for a little scalp. Yeah, I'm green on the day. I took profits on this chart here, and I didn't take trades since. So I took these shorts to the downside when the news broke. I'm lying, I took trades around this consolidation here. I got a buy here, I think. But at the 21 here would be a perfect long, like it almost touched there. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like. Oil is prompting to push even further down. Did 10 p.m. there is news, but there's not much after that. Yeah, the longs out of the 21 worked. Sad. A lot of buyers. Hit the like, guys. For a poor dude. Pasha's coming in and then like in 20 minutes probably with the New York session stream. You guys can hop to that stream when that happens. I'll probably close like 5 or 10 minutes before. But I don't see myself taking another trade before New York session. I'm liking the longs here, but there's so much rejection. It's sideways. I should have went in like around between the 9 and the 21 EMA. That's where I should have been in on the longs. It's working. That long is working. It's playing. I should have been in at 8:45, man. Cross the EMAs to the upside. Pull back to the EMAs. What can I do? What can I do? Mhm. My internet is, man, my internet is bugging out like crazy, man. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go. My internet's bugging out like crazy. I don't know if Pasha wants to open his stream earlier, but I'm going to close the stream because of that. Because usually Mondays he has like Bible study. So I don't know. Yeah, if he's going to go, probably. But my stream is bugging out like crazy right now. My internet's bugging out. So I'm probably going to close out the stream for now and wait for Pasha to come in with his stream. But I appreciate everyone that was here with me. We took some beautiful shorts on this move down here. We made some profit, and we're going to wait for New York session now. Thank you everyone that came. Hit the like button, and let's hop to Pasha's stream and wait there. Let's go. Thank you guys. Thank you very much again and again. Sorry if I'm. Let me see if there's some messages. Yeah. Sorry if I didn't answer any, like, everyone. Let's go to the next stream. See you guys on New York session on Pasha stream on same channel. Thank you very much.